Sudbury's Sophia Mather is among 7 young environmentalists from Ontario who have taken the province to court. They argue that the government's weakening of its climate targets violates Canadians' charter rights. CTV's Lyndsay Aelick has an update on the case.
Just days before a critical hearing on December 1st, the applicants are condemning the Ford government for forcing through legislative changes.
Disappointingly, although perhaps not surprisingly, the Ford government has yet again chosen to pull out all the stops to avoid accountability.
In the government's fall economic statement, it included amendments to repeal sections 3 to 5 of the Cap and Trade Cancellation Act, which aims to get rid of requirements of establishing emissions reduction targets, a climate change plan, and minister progress reports.
I'm here because the court has already found that Ontario's 2030 climate target was inadequate. Instead of fixing it, the Ford government tried to run away from its responsibility entirely by removing the law that requiring them to set targets at all. If the courts have said that this government needs to do more, we believe they should not be allowed to get away with doing less.
CTV News reached out to the Premier's office for comment and received a statement which says, in part, in the face of economic uncertainty, with President Trump taking direct aim at our economy, our government is taking a hard look at the unnecessary processes that have held us back and putting forward big and bold ideas to build an economy that is more competitive and resilient.
It's in line with their record for placing the economy above the very ecosystems that support life. So this new development has as well strengthened my resolve and made me grateful that we are taking action to hold the government accountable in court for their obligation and their responsibility to protect the lands and waters, and in turn the very people and generations that they're supposed to serve.
Thompson says since the December 1st hearing has been adjourned, both parties are working on next steps. He says his team will be proposing a schedule to get back before the courts as soon as possible. And he strongly believes that this latest attempt to have the case thrown out by the Ford government will not work. Lyndsay Aelick, CTV News, Sudbury.